What's going on, guys? My name's Derek, and this is Fatal RPM. I got Alright, so it's been a very long time since I've done a video. I 100% did not intend for it to be that way, but you know, shit happens with car life and a whole bunch of other things. But here I am now, and I have something not exactly special because there's multiple videos online. But what I wanted to go over is if these downpipes, which is what I have today, the cheap ones, if they're really any good, if they're even worth the money. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this box open. I'm going to open it up on camera here for you, and we'll inspect the welds and everything else. Let's get into it. Alright, so we got the box right here. Got it in the mail maybe about, I don't know, like an hour or so ago. So, main reason why I wanted to do this video, because everyone always talks about buying cheap parts. Now, it's obvious that you don't usually want to go with the cheapest of the cheap, because you can usually get ripped off. But a charge pipe, a downpipe, it's pretty basic. I mean, it's a tube. It's a metal tube. I mean, come on. It's kind of hard to fuck that up unless you don't know how to weld, which I've seen definitely before. So I ordered this from Arm Motorsports. So first thing in the box we got, nice little arm sticker. I actually really like this one. That might go on the car. We have this card here. It says thank you for choosing Arm. There's a couple other things and another arm sticker. And it looks like they did those expanding foam things in here. So I got my receipt here, 335 XI. You gotta remember, whenever you get downpipes for an N54, and it's for a 335 XI or any of the all-wheel drive ones, you have to get one for all-wheel drive. Otherwise, you're gonna have a bad day, and you're probably gonna need a torch and a hammer if you plan on getting a non-one in there, and it's probably going to take about 10 times the amount of time. But we have some gaskets here along with the hardware to bolt up the bottom bit. We got the first downpipe here, and the second downpipe right here. Let's just move this box out the way. So I think this one here, so this one is for the rear turbo, and this one is for the front turbo, because they line up kind of like that. But let's get this open. Let's inspect these welds. These are looking really, really nice. And honestly, I might heat wrap these, because I do have some red left over. But looking on the outside, all the welds are super clean. Not any spots of overheating, except for maybe where they started. All the little attachments look, or not attachments, all the spots for the O2 sensors are looking good. Same thing goes for the flanges, and I'll get a close-up of this for you to see too. It's looking good on this one as well. So it goes from 3 inches to 2.5, all the way down to the rest of the exhaust. I'm going to be doing a regular or stock exhaust, so downpipes to stock exhaust. I can't really find a lot of videos on YouTube because I was looking, I was like, I don't know if I want to do like a muffler delete or something. I'm just going to go stock exhaust route. We'll see how that sounds, and if not, from there I'll go cat back. So again, this has been Derek with Fatal RPM. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
I recall Central Park and phone. Not the change.